Hey guys, today I'm back with a very quick video again because today we're gonna make some chocolate again, which I love doing as little gifts for Christmas. You want to start out with your dried apricots and you want to cut them down into small little pieces. I used about 10 of these, I think. Next up, you want to go ahead and melt your white chocolate, and I used some water and I had a little bowl on top of that, and you want to make sure no water gets in there. Next, you want to add your cinnamon and your nutmeg and mix that in very well as soon as your chocolate is completely melted. Then you can go ahead and add in half of the apricots. And now you're ready to pour it into your little forms like that. You want to spread it out evenly, and then you want to sprinkle the rest of those apricots right on top. You want to make sure that they stick to the chocolate. You want to tap it a little bit to make sure that it's distributed evenly. Then you want to let that cool down at least 4 hours or overnight on a cool spot, and you're ready to enjoy. And I hope you try this. I love these as gifts, and this is one of my absolute favorite types of chocolate. So I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye!